how to turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. Firstly, open the Instagram application on your device and navigate to the home page. Look for the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action will take you to the message section. Once you are in the message section, select the profile of the person you have been chatting with to access the chat section. Here you will notice that the Vanish mode is currently on. Vanish mode is a feature that automatically makes messages disappear when you close the chat once seen. To turn off the Vanish mode, simply swipe up within this chat. This action will turn off the Vanish mode, ensuring that your messages are no longer set to disappear automatically. If at any point you want to re-enable Vanish mode, just repeat the same process. Swipe up within this chat and you're done. So this is how you can turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.